Hello everyone, this is Amita Rana from BrightMinds, right now teaching from home, and welcome to the Knockdown Our Minds in Lockdown. Now let's sing a song about the number one. It's very easy and lots of fun. Let's sing a song about the number one, and here we go. Yes, our today's activity is about the number one. Today we are going to introduce the very first number one. Parents, you can teach your child the number one with object which you have won. Like, I have one nose. One nose. I have one head. One head. I have one stomach. One stomach. You can also try other objects like we have one sun and one moon in the sky. We have one sun and one moon in the sky. So parents, this is how you can teach your child the number one. I will also send the video related the object of number one which help you to do this activity with your child. Now, how to write the number one? We have already learned about lines. So number one is made from one right slanting line, one standing line and one sleeping line. But in number one, slanting line goes bottom to top like this, and then standing line which goes up to down, and sleeping line. Or you can teach your child by simple standing line, because we can also write number one like this. Now let's talk about our next activity, and our next activity of the day is very juicy and yummy. Do you know what is it? No? I'll give you one more hint. Red apple, healthy to eat. Red apple, juicy and sweet. Ripe mangoes, yummy to eat. Ripe mangoes, pulpy and sweet. Yellow banana together in a bunch. Peel them before you munch. Now, got this? Yes, our next activity is all about fruits. So let's know about fruits. A fruit is a sweet and edible part of a plant or a tree. Yes, a fruit grows on a plant or on a tree, and it has one and more seeds inside it. So let's start with mango. This is mango. Mango is king of all the fruits. Raw mango is green and ripe mango is yellow in color, and it tastes sweet and sour. Now bananas. These are bananas. They comes in a bunch. In beginning, banana is green, but when it ripe, it becomes yellow. Before eating banana, we have to peel banana, and then it is white inside it. It tastes sweet. Now, apple. This is an apple. Apples are generally red, green and yellow in color, and it tastes sweet. Now, orange. This is an orange. Orange is also orange in color. It is very juicy, sweet and sour in taste. Now, pineapple. This is pineapple. Pineapple is very big fruit with thick and spiky skin. It tastes also sweet and sour. And now, watermelon. This is watermelon. Watermelon is green from outside and red from inside with so many black seeds. Watermelon is very watery, so it is called watermelon, and it is very sweet in taste. Thus, parents, you can tell your child that all fruits have different colors. Most of the fruits are very sweet, Some of are little bit of sour, but still they are very yummy to eat. And we can eat them by cutting, by making juice, or by making fruit salad. You can also tell your child we should eat fruits every day because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. They provide us many fibers, nutrients and vitamins and make us healthy and strong. You can also discuss some seasonal fruit with them, like mango and watermelon are summer fruit, orange and strawberry are winter fruit, and plum and pomegranate are monsoon fruit. And now it is time for yoga activity. And our today's yoga pose is warrior pose. Do it with your child and family with the help of picture. And now the last activity, that is paper folding. Parents, this is the activity by which you can recall your childhood again. जैसे हम बचपन में एरोप्लेन बना के उड़ाया करते थे या तो फिर पेपर बोट बना के पानी में तैराया करते थे. So this is what you have to do with your child in this activity. You have to teach your child to make such things like aeroplane, birds, boat by folding the paper, and this is called origami. For your information, origami is Japanese art of folding the paper in creative shapes and figures. So parents, do origami with your child and enjoy your childhood again. So these are the activities of the day. Number 1 with objects, fruits, yoga, that is warrior pose, and at last paper folding, that is origami. Please share your videos and photos on your social media with hashtag BrightMinds India, hashtag homeschooling, hashtag knockdown in lockdown. Till then, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.